Hello students, welcome back to the chapter How Animals Adapt. So prior to this class, we studied in this chapter about the adaptation in animals for their environment, that is for habitat. So in that we learned about different types of animals like terrestrial animals, animals living in the hot region, cold region, amphibian, aquatic animals, arboreal animals. And today we are going to continue the chapter with adaptation for food. So in this class we will study about the animals which have been, we can see the variety of animals and which will be divided based on their food also. So the animals which get adapted into different categories based on the food that we are going to study. So based on their eating habits, based on the eating habits of animals, animals have been divided into 5 categories. Okay, so based on the eating habits, different animals feed on different types of food. So based on those eating habits, all the animals have been divided into 5 different categories such as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. I repeat, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. Now we will discuss each one of these category with details along with the examples. So moving on to further, we will also see about the adaptation for protection. So we will see the division of different types of animals based on their protection. Protection means hifazat karna. Okay. So different animals have developed different features to protect themselves from dangers. Like how we human beings protect ourselves from getting contact into the danger. Similarly, even animals, they feel the need of getting protected themselves from the danger. So animals ही अपने आप को danger से बचाते हैं, and that is how they protect themselves from the danger that we will discuss in detail. So note down the points each one and listen it carefully about the adaptation for food in animals and also the adaptation for protection in animals.
Adaptation for food. Animals can also be classified on the basis of the kind of food they eat. They depend on their immediate environment for their food. Carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores have different types of adaptations that help them get the food that they eat. Herbivores. Animals that eat plants or their parts are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Elephants, cows, horses, giraffes, goats, sheep, and deer are some examples. Their wide jaws and sharp front teeth help them to cut grass, and their flat grinding teeth at the back help them to chew the grass. The trunk of the elephant and the long neck of the giraffe helps them to break and eat leaves from trees. Squirrels have big, strong teeth that help them to crack open hard seeds and nuts. Carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Tigers, lions, and foxes are some examples. Carnivorous animals have long, sharp teeth and claws which help them to tear the flesh. They also have very strong legs which help them to catch their prey. Snakes are carnivorous animals. They use their scales to move fast on the ground. They swallow their prey fully. Eagles and vultures are carnivorous birds. They have sharp claws and beaks to catch their prey and tear its flesh. Omnivores. Animals like rats, monkeys, peacocks, and crows feed on plants as well as on animals. These are therefore called omnivores. Humans and bears are also omnivorous animals.
And then we have another category, scavengers. Animals that eat flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. For example, hyena, vulture, jackals, wild dogs, etc. Now let us see some adaptation in these animals. These animals have sharp teeth for ripping and tearing the flesh of the dead animals. With this, let us move on to the last category of animals according to their feeding habits, and these are parasites. Parasites are small animals that live on or inside the body of other animals, and the animals on or inside which these parasites live are known as their hosts. For example, ringworm, hookworm, tapeworm, etc. are the parasites which live inside their hosts. And parasites like lice, ticks, fleas, etc. live on the skin of their host. Kids, these parasites sticks to the body of the animals like dog, cows, buffaloes, etc. And what happens is they then start sucking blood from these animals. Here these ticks and fleas are parasites, whereas dog, cow, etc. are the host. So let us see what adaptations they show. Students, mouth of these organisms are adapted to suck blood of their host.
Adaptation for protection. Animals always have to protect themselves from their enemies, bigger animals and human beings. Their adaptation helps them to escape very quickly before the predator can even catch them. Some animals like deer, zebra, and ostrich have strong legs. Some animals are able to merge with their surroundings so well that it becomes difficult to spot them. This is known as camouflage. Observe the animals in the picture. A walking stick insect looks almost like a twig. Frogs, some owls, and chameleons can change the color of their skin to match their surroundings. A katydid insect looks exactly like a leaf. A grasshopper merges well with its surroundings. The white fur of a polar bear matches with the surrounding snow, making it difficult to be spotted. The stripes on a zebra or tiger make it very difficult to be spotted easily in the forest. Some animals, like tortoises and snails, have hard shells on their bodies to protect themselves. Porcupines have spines. Hence, it becomes very difficult for the enemy to attack it. Some animals, like rhinoceros and buffaloes, use their horns for fighting. Thus, we have learnt about the adaptations in animals.
Alright student, that was about today's class, that is how animals adapt. And by this, you have come to the end of this chapter, how animals adapt. And we have also completed the syllabus, the chapters of this second semester totally. Okay, so you must have to complete all your notes as soon along with the explanation notes also and get it correction on the prescribed timetable. Thank you.